Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and I hope that everyone is doing great. Yeah guys, like I recently upgraded my helmet as well as I bought a new action camera. So here it is. Well, this particular helmet is from the brand called Sol, and the product name is called Sol Unicorn. And yeah guys, like I've mounted my intercom, and this is from ASG, and the unit name is called ASG SG5. The reason why I went for this helmet is because this is designed in complete aerodynamic purpose, where we have all the vents and stuff. And another main feature about this helmet is like it do have a tail reflector. So these are basically the LED bulbs, and it have three modes. And this is the first mode where the lights are stationary, and the second one where the light blinks at the normal speed, and this is the third mode. So this is useful for night ride purpose. And well, coming back to the new camera, so this is SJ6000 Legend guys, and I bought this from Amazon. So this particular camera have a dual screen setup, and the front screen is for a basic purpose, like it do give sort of indication whether the video is recording or not. And back here, like this is the main display, and the display itself is a touch screen. See, it have a automated image stabilization option and a gyroscope setup as well, and a long battery life. Say one complete battery gives somewhere around an hour or so. So for a beginner like me, I think this camera is quite enough. uh, so and yeah guys, like I'll be ending the video here, and if you like the content, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button, and there are more surprises to come in the near future.